Hello everybody, welcome to your English class. In this week, we are going to learn about the health. And in this video, we are going to practice the pronunciation of each word. Hola a todos, bienvenidos a la clase de inglés. En esta semana vamos a trabajar sobre la salud. En este video vamos a practicar la pronunciación de las palabras. So, let's start. Empecemos. Number 1. You have to repeat after me. Van a repetir después de mí. Check your temperature. Check your temperature. Chequea tu temperatura. Number 2. Don't touch your face. Don't touch your face. No toques tu rostro. Number 3. Take your distance. Take your distance. Toma tu distancia. Number 4. Cover your mouth when coughing. Cover your mouth when coughing. Cubre tu boca cuando tosas. Number 5. Don't play with your mask. Don't play with your mask. No juegues con tu mascarilla. Number 6. Use antibacterial gel. Use antibacterial gel. Usa gel antibacterial. Number 7. Stay at home. Stay at home. Permanece en casa. Number 8. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Lava tus manos. Number 9. Wear a mask. Wear a mask. Usa una mascarilla. And that's it. Please, to improve your pronunciation, repeat this video as many times as you need. Para mejorar tu pronunciación, necesitas repetir el video las veces que tú necesites. Bye bye.